The Philippine Eagle. Every year, Philippine Eagle Week is observed from June 4 to June 10. This week is devoted to honoring the Philippine eagle, one of nature's special species. The Philippine eagle, sometimes referred to as the monkey-eating eagle, is a severely endangered bird. It is found in Philippine woodlands. It weighs between 8.98 and 17.6 pounds, has a bushy crest, and has plumage that is colored white and brown. Its length ranges from 2.82 to 3.35 feet. Since this species is rare and endangered, it is critical that we take action to protect it and raise public awareness of its importance so that future generations of these unique birds can exist.